Hi guys, Farabi here with another video, and today I have some example solves on the 2x2. To clear some things up, I'll be doing 5 videos in total, from 2x2 to 6x6 example solves to be exact. I mainly use Varasano or Ortega and CLL as my main methods, and Scrambles will be in the description if you want to follow along. Okay, so this is an easy one. Here I can see orange bar. As you can see, these two pieces are solved and the remaining pieces are here and here. So for the layer, I'll do R prime, U prime to send this here, cancel into this and make the layer. Here I'll show you again. So R prime, U prime, R2, U, R prime. So in this, for this CL case, I see these two are similar and these two opposite. So this is my algorithm. So for this scramble, I'll do the blue bar. So these two are already aligned, and the remaining pieces are here and here. So I also can see that if I do the layer from this angle, I'll get an orange bar here. So what I do is L, U2, L prime. And in this case, this OLL and then PBL. Okay. So for this one, I'll do the white one and I'll go for Varasano. So here I can see these two are aligned and I'm just a U2 away from this layer, and I also can see that by doing this I'll get orange bar in front. So U2 R prime, then I'll do F6 F prime, and which forces a diagonal case. So I'll do the diagonal algorithm. Here is the fourth scramble. This is an easy one. I'll do yellow for this time. So as you can see, I'll just have to do R prime, U prime, R prime to make the layer. So R prime, U prime to join this up, and R prime. And then I'll do this CLL where these two are same, these two are opposite, and it's a pi case. This one's also easy for a layer. So these two are already perfectly settled up, and I have this and this for now. So U prime, R prime, as you can see, they make this bar, U prime, and just insert it. So we get the same case as the previous one, same algorithm. Okay, so this is an interesting one. So I can see that by doing U prime and R prime, I can force adjacent layer in the bottom, and I also look ahead that I'll get a diagonal pi in the front, in the top actually. So in this case, I'll just do U prime, R prime, and instead of doing the R prime, I'll straight go into this algorithm. We solve the OLL and then straight in the PBL algorithm. So let me show you that again. This case, U prime, R prime, but instead of doing the R prime, this and cancel. here I can see that I can get an adjacent layer by in 4 moves, and I'll get a red bar in front, because if I do R prime, these two will be opposite and these two aren't opposite, so it has to be a red in front. So R prime U2, then R U R prime. It was 5 moves actually. OLL, and during the OLL I see that by the the permutation of the corners, that the bar would end up in the front. So I'll straight go into the PBL. Okay, so here these two are opposite, but this is not actually opposite, this is flipped. Sorry, this is opposite but this is flipped. So in this case what I'll do is F R U prime R prime, so that I can get a bar in front. OLL PBL. Okay, so this is also easy one. Here I will do the white work. So first I'll insert this blue red edge corner actually, U prime R, and then insert this here. Now this CLL, where these two are opposite, sorry, these two are same, these two are same, and the colors are opposite. This I'll do. Let me see. Okay, so I'll go for the red. So here these two are already set up, and first I'll insert this edge, this corner, and then insert this corner, and on the top I can see it's diagonal pi, so diagonal pi algorithm. Here I can see if I insert this this corner here, I can get a bar in front, orange bar in front, and a blue layer. So I'll probably do that, and from this moment I think I'll rotate, as this is diagonal pi. So if I go for the standard L, I'll get a diagonal in the top and adjacent in the bottom, which is my favorite case. Here I will do something like this. I see these two are diagonal and these two are diagonal, so if I insert this here, this will be a diagonal layer. So I'll do R prime U2, but instead of doing R, I'll do R prime, then F2, then R2. So I will get a full layer, and then anti-Nicholas case. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, just leave it a like, and if you have further suggestions for me, please leave it in the comments.